Hope you are fine. So today we're gonna conclude our this chapter 3 questions. Are you ready? Okay, well now all of you take your textbook page number 13. All of you take your textbook page number 13. So in the previous class we discussed that the king again gone to the hermit and he asked his 3 questions. That was, what is the right time to do something? Which people should he listen to? And the third question, what is the most important thing him to do? And he again asked his 3 questions to the hermit. And the hermit replied as, all of you take page number 13. You have already been answered, said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. How have I been answered? What do you mean? Do you not see? Replied the hermit. Then again the king gone to the hermit and he asked, Hey hermit, please give me answers to my 3 questions. I am here to get answers for my 3 questions. Can you please answer me? Then the hermit replied him that I already gave you the answers. Then the king became very much amazed what this hermit was saying. But I don't get any answers. Then what you are seeing? If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. Then that man would have attacked you and you would have wished you had stayed with me. And after that, the hermit started explaining about the 3 questions. And the hermit was ready to give answers for the questions. Then he started explaining. Yesterday you came here and you helped me to dig the bed. Without any pity, you helped me to dig the pits or beds. And you also helped me to do my work. Actually, you are a king, but you don't show your standard, or without any pity, you helped me to do my work. If you just imagine, king, you just imagine, if you return back to your place, at that time what will happen? Yes, actually the bearded man was waiting on the way to attack you. And if you return to your palace on the way, you will surely attacked by the bearded man. But what happened? So the most important time was when you were digging the beds and I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. And the hermit also told the king that, and at that time, so that was considered as the most important time. That means that was the right time that you decided to stay with me. You helped me doing my work. You helped me to dig the bed. So that was the right time. And at that particular time, I was the most important person to you that you should listen. So at that particular time, I was the most important person that you should listen. Afterwards, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him, because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. And you just imagine, if you return back to your place, what will happen? Yes, I already told that the bearded man will attack you. But at that time, when the hermit and the king were doing the work, a bearded man ran towards them and king helped him. How? Yes, he redressed and washed and helped the bearded man by dressing his wounds. So king saved the life of that man. Actually, who was that bearded man? Yes, bearded man was one of the enemies of king, right? But actually king made peace with his enemy. Having made peace with you, so he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business, and you saved his life, right? And you saved his life. So that was the good thing, and that was the good things. So that was the answer for your third question, that what is the most important thing him to do? That means do good things for others. Remember, then there is only one time that is important, and that time is now. And the first question, what is the right time to do something? What is the right time to do something? Yes, it is now. The right time to do something is now. And the hermit replied him for the first question, the right time to do something is now. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. The most important time is now because it is the time that we have the power to do anything. We have the power to act. We have the power to do anything. So, the right time is now. And the second question, which people should he listen to? The most necessary person you are with at a particular time. The most important person. The answer for the second question, at this particular time you are with whom? That is the person you should listen to. So, the answer for the second question is, which people should he listen to? The person you are with particular time. So this is the answer for the second question. Which people should he listen to? The person you are with particular time. You are with whom at that particular time? That is the person you should listen to. And the third question, what is the most important thing him to do? And the answer for the third question, the most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment, for no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. So, it's the answer for the second question. And the answer for the third question, the most important business is to do that person good, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. So, what was the answer the king got for the third question? Yes, do good for others. That was the answer for third question. And the question was, what is the most important thing him to do? Do good for others. So, the answer he got for his third question was, we should do good for others. For that, the God had sent all of us to this world. We should do good for others. So, actually we got the three answers, right? These are the answers that the king got for his three questions. And I repeat, what is the right time to do something? It is now. This is the time to do. This is the right time. And second question, which people should he listen to? The person you are with particular time. The person you are with at this particular time is the person you should listen to. And the third question, what is the most important thing him to do? Do good for others. We should do good things for others. So, it's a story of Leo Tolstoy titled as Three Questions. And here is the 3 questions and answers. Students, this story gives us a great moral. And these answers are the moral. You have to follow these things. You have to follow these particular things in your life. Okay, hope everything is clear. If you have any doubts, just note down and ask me in the DCS section. I will give you the notes. Thank you.